Alright, hey guys, it's good to see you. This is lesson 2.4. Hey, do me a favor. I'm posting these videos, but make sure if you're in my geometry class, it says Geo, and if you're in my Algebra 2 class, it says Algebra 2, alright? Alright, are we excited? We're still in area. I know it seems like forever. I finally sent you all the area formula sheets. It was page 1 and 2, okay, so make sure you refer to that, okay? Alright, here we go. We're going to find the area of the shape. The hardest situation really with this is just getting the right formula. Alright, this first example here, do you know it's a trapezoid? Okay, why this is a trapezoid? Well, first of all, it's a quadrilateral. It has 4 sides, and it only has one pair of sides that are parallel. This side is parallel to this, whereas look, the other 2 sides are not parallel. The definition of a trapezoid is a quadrilateral with one pair of parallel sides. Well, we're going to find the area, so refer to your sheet. This is one of my favorite formulas. It looks difficult, but it's not difficult at all. Now let me read it to you. All right, this is area equals 1/2 the sum of the bases. We're going to add the bases times the height. Bases is really easy to find. Okay, bases are those 2 sides that are parallel. Okay, so leave the 1/2 alone. And when it comes to the bases, it doesn't matter which one you call base 1, it doesn't matter which one you call base 2, okay? If you want to go 11 plus 15, that's fine, but you also have the choice to say 15 plus 11, okay? All right, and then the height, does anybody remember from the last video? Oh yeah, very good over there. The easiest way to find the height is to look for 90 degrees, and that 90 degrees tells you the bases goes with the height of 7 inches. Okay, so this 8.1, you can cross it out. You don't need that 8.1 to find the area. The 7 is perpendicular to the 15 and the 11, so that serves as your height. Let me pause for a second, okay? The bases are the sides that are parallel, and the height, 7, is the one that's perpendicular to the bases, okay? All right, once you get here, remember parentheses is king. 11 plus 15 is 26. All right, once you've done that, all we're going to do is multiply this out. And I know you're excited. We're going to multiply this out and compute the area. I'm going to type in 0.5. Yes, 0.5 is the same thing as 1/2. Yep, exciting stuff. Times 26 times 7. And I get an answer of 91. Come back to the diagram, it says in terms of inches, so you put inches squared. Again, inches squared just tells you that you found the area. You do not square the 91. The answer is 91 inches squared. Okay, take a moment. How did example 2 go? We're good? Okay, let's switch it up on you. All right, let's make this a little more exciting. And yes, we're still doing area. I know it seems like an eternity. Let's try a word problem, okay? I know most people don't like doing word problems, but honestly, in this section, it's not that bad. All right, so let's just do number 14 here. And I don't mind reading it to you guys. Are you ready? A parallelogram with an area of 160.5 inches squared. Look, you immediately know this is area, okay, because of that inches squared. All right, has a height that measures 7.5. Find the length of the base. Well, the first thing you got to worry about is really what shape are we talking about? Well, I just saw right in there parallelogram. Okay, look at your formula sheet. That's a decent one. Area of a parallelogram is just base times height. Okay, you already know this is the area, 160.5, so you're going to put it in for area. And then what was the other item they gave you? Has a height that measures 7.5. So you're going to leave the base alone and you're going to put in 7.5 for the height. Look, your only unknown is base, so I hope that's what they're asking for. And guess what? Find the length of the base. So right away, after you write this up, it just turns into Algebra 1. It's a one-step equation. You're going to divide by 7.5, divide by 7.5. All right. Trusty old calculator over here. All right, 160, remember it's top divided by bottom, so 160.5 divided by 7.5. and you get an answer of 21.4. And this is the base, okay? Oh, why did I not put squared? Very good. I didn't put squared because we weren't finding the area. We were just finding one of the dimensions. All right, and then if you want, it was in terms of inches, so 21.4 inches. Okay, that's not bad for a word problem. You know, make sure you have the formula sheet available, okay? Any questions? All right, I found one last one. Let me tell you, this is a word problem where they're trying to make math exciting, and it's really not, okay? It's a total fail, and you're not going to be able to see the whole story, so I'm just going to read it to you, because I really just want you to be able to see the drawing, okay? And this is on a sheet that'll be sent to you. This is page 3, okay? That will be sent to you. You won't be able to see the word problem, but I want to make sure you can see the diagram. Okay, I'll read it to you. I'm already babbling. This is sad. Okay, all right. So here we go. Exciting word problem in math. Mr. Peyton would like to paint his deck. Woo! The dimensions of the deck are shown below. If one can of paint covers 72 square feet, how many cans will he need to purchase for 2 coats of paint? Wow, wow, wow. This is exciting. All right, well, look, there's his deck. Okay, I like the shape. Okay, very good. It's a trapezoid. So because we want to cover it with paint, that tells you we're doing area. And all you got to do is grab the right formula. Here it is. Make sure you get this. You put it on your cell phone, that's fine. But I did put this on SB. Make sure you have this formula sheet. All right, bases. All right, bases are the parallel sides. So leave this 1/2 alone. Plug in your bases, 14 and 24. The height, we got all these extra numbers going on here, but look for the box, 90-degree box. That connects your 2 bases to your height right here, 16.5. For the purposes of area, we don't need this and we don't need this. All right, leave the 1/2 alone. All right, let me slow down. I'm getting a little hyper. Are y'all with me out there? I feel all alone. All right, this is 38, 16.5, and once you're here, you're just going to multiply. So 0.5 again is 1/2 times 38, woo, times 16.5. I feel the excitement. All right, and I get an answer of 313.5 feet squared. This tells you that I computed the area of this trapezoid. All right, now, 1 can of paint covers 72 square feet. So if 1 can covers 72 square feet, I'm going to take your total answer, I'm going to divide by 72. All right, here comes the magic of a calculator. 313.5 divided by 72, and I get 4.4. All right, well, 4.4, I'm not going to go and buy 0.4 cans, so we'll make that 5 cans, okay? But he wants 2 coats, so you're going to double that baby, and now you get 10 cans. Okay? All right, hopefully this helps. This is our last time doing area of shapes as you've seen. We're going to try some that you've seen earlier, like in 6th and 7th grade. And then we're going to do a little bit a different type of problems that you haven't seen on the next video. It is good to see you. Stay safe. This is Mr. Mac.